Hi, this is Jyoti and you're in my little treat corner. This is a dish created by my daughter, inspired by coastal flavors like coconut oil and curry leaves. We all enjoy it very much, so I like to share the recipe with you all. For this dish, I am using 500 grams of large prawns, deshelled and deveined. For the gravy, I am going to use 5 onions, 4 tomatoes, quarter cup of curry leaves and about 9 green chilies. I am going to finely chop the onions. Finely chop the chilies. And finely chop the tomatoes. In a saucepan, I am going to heat half a cup of coconut oil. And once I see several little bubbles forming in the oil, I am going to put in the curry leaves and the chilies. Once the curry leaves begin to get a little crisp, I am going to add the onions and fry till they are well browned. I am going to add about half a teaspoon of salt once the onions are a little soft. There are 2 tricks to making this dish tasty. One is to use a good quality coconut oil and the second is to fry till the ingredients become almost dry. So you can see the onions have browned nicely. So now I am going to add half a teaspoon of ginger paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. I am going to stir this a bit and then add half a teaspoon of chilli powder and another 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I am going to let this fry a bit till I get that nice aroma of ginger and garlic paste and then add the tomatoes. Now I am going to fry this until most of the water dries out and it becomes this dense paste. I am going to add the prawns now and cook till the prawns start turning a little red. I am going to add about a teaspoon of sugar to balance that sour taste of the tomatoes. And this is done. You can reduce the number of onions and tomatoes to about 3 each and serve it as a starter as well. This dish goes really well with Kerala paratha, but you can eat it with rice also. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.